what does it mean to you when magazines like this are actually doing covers saying, well, the amazing American economy, it's still growing, and yet at the same time, last week I was here and told you we were borrowing over 95,000 a second. Now it's no longer 95,000. It's 98, I think 300 a second. If we try a little harder, maybe we'll get over 100,000 a second. If you go over the last 365 days, as of today, we're borrowing over 98,000 a second. And almost every dime of that growth in borrowing is interest and different types of health care. And yet, when we look at these, I keep trying, sorry, I keep trying to